Hello friends, good afternoon. I have another challenge today. If you see the data, employee-wise sales numbers are there. Every month the employee has done some sales, but while analyzing the data, there are couple of zero numbers are there. Because of this, I'm not able to judge the data properly. If we hide this zero, I'll be able to see the data properly and I can judge the data. It should show a blank. So there are a couple of ways of doing this. Select the table, press Ctrl 1, go to custom. Here you see there is a type general. Delete this and provide the format which I am going to type here. 0, semicolon, 0, double semicolon, at. Just remember this format and I'll press OK. Now you can see all zeros are hidden now. If you want to retrieve the 0 again, select the data, press Ctrl 1, click on general, click OK. Now you will be able to see the 0 back. Now go to the second tip. Select the data, conditional formatting, new rule. I want format only cells that contain cell value equals to 0. And what format I will apply? In format, I will apply a font white. Okay, when I click OK, all 0 will be hidden. Basically, all zeros font color will be white. So in that way, you can hide the zeros and analyze the data properly. For this kind of tips, please subscribe our channel, share with your friends, and if it is helping you, like the video. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.